Hello everyone. So in this question, we are asked that what is the output of this given code? Okay. So here we have used the switch statement. Inside switch, we have used the cases and the default statement. And these are the four options that are given to us. That is, it will print no output. Second is some runtime error will come. Third is the answer will be how are you? And last is that no answer from these ABC is correct. So I will start the timer and you can first read the question yourself and find the answer, and then I will explain the answer. So I hope you have got the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option C. That means answer will come as how are you? So let's first run this code into our IDE and see what is the output that our compiler is giving to us. So here is our code and let's run this program. So you can see here we are getting how are you as the output. That is, there is no compile time and no runtime error. So let's see why we are getting this answer. So you know that inside switch statement, that is inside the body of the switch, we can use case and default statement, right? Now here you can see inside switch, we have used 20, okay? And this is a integer value, okay? So you should also know that no float value or the double value can come inside this switch expressions, okay, here. So for now it is correct because it is an integer value. So now we have to search for the case number 20 inside this switch body. Now here you can see we have the default case 1, case 2, okay. So first thing is inside switch we can use the default statement at any place, okay. This default can be like after case 1 also, or this default statement can be after case 1 and case 2. Generally, we use default statement after all the cases at the end. But here we have used it in the starting. So this is correct. Like compiler will not give me any error that why I have used the default statement at the starting. So how this program will work? So here we will come to first cases. Okay. And we will see what is the case that is matching with the case number 20. So we can see here there is no case which is matching with the case number 20. These are the case 1 and case 2. So they are not matching. So what will happen after this is not matched, this is not matched. So we will go above and now we will see, okay, there is a default statement. Okay. And we will execute this statement. So this will give me how, okay, and space. So first thing is you come to this case 1, case 2, okay. And then you see, okay, default is there. So we will execute this accordingly. Now, after this default, we have not used any break statement, right? There is no break statement. So our flow will keep on going and we will come to this printf r, okay? Now we will not match this case 1 and case 2. Matching is over. Now we will simply go down and we will print this r. So next will be our output as r, okay? Then space. And after this also, there is no break statement. So again, you will print this u, and after this there is a break statement, so you will come out of this switch and you will say, okay, this is my output. Now if you do not use this break statement also, then also your program will come out, okay. It will not happen that if you do not use this break statement, you will again go here and you will again print how are you again and again, okay. This will not happen. So I think you have got the idea. Now what will happen if this default statement is not present in this C program? So here I will remove this default statement or I can just comment it out. So let's see what is the output. So you can see I'm not getting any output and there is no compile time error. So I am getting no output when this default statement is not present. Why? Because this case 20 was matched with this case 1 and case 2 and it was not matching. And there is no other statement or no default statement also. So it will simply come out due to this break and it will say, okay, no output. Okay. Even if this break is not there, then also the same thing will happen. Okay. There is no output. Again, 20 is not matched with any case. So after this line, it will come out of this switch statement. Okay. So I think now you have understood that how this answer was coming. So if you have any comment or query related to this question, you can write down into the comment box. I will answer them. So now let's move to the next question and see what will happen if this default is present after this case 1, or you can say case number 2.